guys, welcome or welcome back to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look, which is perfect if you're a newlywed and you have a lot of parties and events to attend. This makeup look is going to go with all your outfits and is super easy to create. And for this, I'm going to be using all Inside makeup products. So if you guys are interested, let's get into the video. Starting with the first product, it's the Inside 3-in-1 primer. Now this is a silicone based primer, so this is perfect if you want to fill your pores, if you have large pores, and your makeup is going to look very smooth after this. And obviously if it's a primer, it's going to make sure that your makeup lasts longer and sits better on your skin. Now, since I want my base to be very gluey, I'm going to use the Inside Radiance Filter. Now, this is perfect. Either you can mix it with your foundation, you can apply it underneath your foundation, or just use as a liquid highlighter. I'm going to apply it all over my face, and it will just give it a nice base for my foundation or my concealer to go on. Look at that shine on my face. Now, since I want a very minimal base, I'm just going to be using this Inside HD Concealer. Now, I love this because one, it's full coverage and you just need tiny little bit of amount, and it just works beautifully on the skin, covers up everything without making your skin look cakey. So I'm just going to apply it a little bit on the high points, or wherever I need a little bit of coverage, I'll apply it there. Next up, we're going to be using a blush. For that, I have these 3 options. I love them all, so I think I'm going to mix them. I'm first going in with the Inside Creamy Lip and Cheek Tint. Now this is a really nice watery tint, so I just apply it underneath like that, and as you can see, it's really nice and pigmented, and it just blends really nicely into the skin. As you can see, just adds a nice touch of color. Now I'm also going to be mixing this one. It's the Tinted Blush. I'm going to be mixing this a little bit. Okay, I love how that looks. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Inside Cream Highlighter. This is what that looks like. I'm just going to blend it into my skin and then apply it right on top of my blush. Just adds that extra touch of shine to your face, which I absolutely love. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Inside HD Flawless Finish Loose Powder. Now this is such a beautiful powder. It just mattifies your skin really well, and it comes with a puff, so you can use that, or you can use your brush as well. Next up, for my brows, I'm going to use the Brow Tattoo again from Inside, and I just love this because look how precise the applicator is. It's so nice, and it just instantly fills in your brows and it sets them really nicely. So if you have sparse brows, you're going to love this product. I'm going to be using this Eyeshadow Stick by Inside Cosmetics. Now I love this because it's dual tone, so you can use whatever you like. Okay, this is the first shade. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Okay, that's so smooth to like work with. I love it. And the next shade is this beautiful purple. Let me just swatch that as well. Oh my god, you guys, look how smooth and pigmented that is. Super excited to use this. So I'm going to use this one. But first, I think I'm going to use the Lip and Cheek Tint as my eye base, because this is such a muted color. So I think I'm going to use this just to, give a little bit of color. Of how this color is super universal, and it's gonna go with everything and for everyone. I'm just gonna, it's so easy to work with, and if you don't know how to do your cut crease, this is like the easiest thing. I'm just gonna lightly do that and blend it with my fingers, and look how easy it is to create an eye look. Love this. I'll be using this intense kohl kajal, and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline.
As you can see, it glides on smoothly on the waterline and does not smudge at all. Next up, for my mascara, I'm going to be using the voluminous mascara from Inside Cosmetics. I love that it does not clump my lashes at all and instantly adds a little bit of volume to it, so I love that.
For the lipstick, I'm going to be using the 24-hour transfer proof lipstick by Inside.
It's very easy to apply and I love the color. Plus, I added a little bit of tint on the lips just in between to add more shade to it, giving some last minute necessary touches to my look as a newlywed, and then that's the final look. I personally love how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts.